What's going on, guys? Justin here from PRP. We've got another episode of PRP DIY with our X3 Max project. We've got some products from LSK. We've got their spare tire mount and we've got their LSK doors already on the car. But we're going to show you guys today just how easy it is to install them and how much better the car looks with those products on the car. Let's get to it. We have our LSK X3 spare tire carrier. I opted for their single tire carrier. It's always a good idea when you're out in the desert or Glamis to always carry a spare tire because you never know when accidents happen. So this is a must-have mod and it is something that is easy to put on. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what we're working with, and get this thing mounted. Always good to get stickers right. All the hardware individually separated. A+. So we got it unboxed, and in typical LSK fashion, of course, this lines up exactly with the 4 holes. It's indented to make room for this intake area, but yeah. There are no instructions, but they do have a little video. So we're gonna get jamming, and then obviously the tire sits on this little plate. So we ended up taking the 3 little bolts here off so we could get this down a little bit just to get our hands in here. This particular one is tough, that's for sure. Otherwise, this side's really easy, this side's really easy, this one's tough, and then this one's really tough. So just had to make it work. Spare tire rack is mounted. The mount that's going to hold our spare tire. We're gonna go ahead and lift this 32-inch tire up and get her up. Joe, this is not gonna be fun. Am I doing it wrong? This is just normal right here. Don't look at your watch, Joe.
I'm getting emails. Where's the handmill wrench?
Thank you. All right, so we got these little plastic pieces, just cover the holes here. Nice clean look. Sometimes that's how it be. Recommendation is do that prior to putting the tire on, but yeah, did a little backwards, but super easy. Just gave it a little push, and this baby is in. Let's go. All right, so we've got LSK aluminum doors. We've got front and rear. We've got to remove some plastic off of the car as well, just so we can get to every little piece we need to. And then we're gonna go ahead and get these placed onto the car.
I like how you get it every single time.
Yeah. So I know that there's the mechanism. I saw the pictures that have the actual frame. Time to take some doors off. I think I need that though. All right, so we went and got the passenger side door on. Comes with a nice LSK handle, super clean. So reuses that stock mechanism, and then have your little handle here. Money. We're gonna jump to the driver's side, and then we do have our box of the rear here, but the video instructions say don't open it because the parts look really similar and they are a little different. So we're just gonna focus on the front doors first, get that out of the way, and then go ahead and jump to the rear. All right guys, we just got done installing the LSK doors and the LSK spare tire mount. Honestly, the LSK doors are seriously the best looking doors, the X3 on the market. I'll die on that deathbed that these doors are kick ass. I love the vent that they have on this. It's not just some one flat like aluminum piece like normal, and the handles are freaking trick, just like we showed you guys. Friggin' these are rad. One of my favorite features of this is actually the adjustability I have between the front and rear doors. With this car, I am going to have my 1-year-old daughter in the car, so we have her car seat, so I chose to have the door swing wider for the rears, and let me show you what I mean by that. So this door, the front, only opens this wide, so I have the adjustability right here on this top piece. I adjust where I want the bolt placement. There's 4 holes up here. I get to pick out what one I want. That tells me how wide it's going to work. They are hydraulic, so it shuts really, really nice. And then here's the rear. And so opens up really, really nice. See, it has a little bit of that like. And this one opens way wider. That way I can get the actual car seat in the car with ease. So that was the thinking behind what I was going to use it for. But that's one of my favorite features, is that I'm not stuck putting in a car seat with this adjustability. I have this full adjustability on the LSK door. So that was one of my favorite indoor features, plus this awesome handle. Alright guys, we just wrapped up installing the LSK doors and the LSK spare tire mount. Super easy install, transformed the look of our X3 here. Easy mod to do on this episode of PRP DIY. Thanks for tuning in.